Hey everyone, my name is Tamil and this is my first YouTube video, and it has taken me some time to get to this point because I had to work up the nerve to even want to do this. I have never did video before. I've never been on video camera like this before, and I've worked up the nerve to do it, and so this is my first one. I'm a home business owner, more of an online entrepreneur, and I am looking to connect with other like-minded people who are just like me. Basically, I'm working full-time and I'm building this thing on the side, and so I want to connect with other people who are doing the same thing. I'm going to be putting out a lot of valuable content, and I want to share my knowledge with people. And hey, if you've got any knowledge as well about this home business, I definitely want to hear from you too. So whether you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, digital marketing, online internet marketing, whatever you're doing, home-based business, or just an entrepreneur that's maybe already in business or looking to get into business, I definitely want to connect with new people. And so one of the things I want to do is talk to you guys. I want to hear comments from you, but I want you to definitely tune into my channel because I feel like I'll have a lot of valuable information out there. So if you are someone that is in this online space and you're building a business, or you're thinking about starting a home-based business and you don't know where to start, then my channel is definitely the place to be. So once again, my name is Tamil. I just wanted to throw this first video out there to you guys to introduce myself to you. I'm looking forward to hearing from people that are in this space. I cannot wait to make a connection with you guys, so let's connect, definitely. So once again, my name is Tamil, and hey, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you soon.